Topic and discussion ahead involving swimsuits, because it's always swimsuit weather here in Arizona, right?
Yes, that's right. And trying on women is very important, but it turns out it can also be dangerous, and that's because we're talking today about bacteria. No, we don't like to talk about it, but we've got to. Dr. Al Borhan, affiliated urologist, is here for us. Thanks for waking up with us. We appreciate it. Now, tell us, is it really that dangerous?
Oh, well, thanks for having me. Yes, it is. Actually, think of the emotional trauma of actually trying those tiny, skimpy swimsuits. And you're damaged already.
Yeah.
And on top of that,
Really?
you had this hidden danger of having bacteria inside the lining of the swimsuit, which is something we really don't think about.
No?
No. As guys, we usually don't have this lining, which you can see in the...
Okay, this is a lot for women.
Yes, for women.
Right,
And
so we see this a lot.
Correct. And this gives you a false...
I didn't know that's common, sorry.
I'm not going to lie to you. Before I did research for this, I didn't either.
Okay.
Because we don't have lining in ours.
No, exactly.
No, it's a comfort.
That's all right.
But I know we're laughing and we're joking about it, but there is a serious undertone.
Correct. The problem is they did a study at New York University, and they looked at a different number of clothing items in different stores, and they found that in swimsuits particularly, there was a lot of transmission of bacteria. And the irony wasn't about the quality of the store, but it was really about the skimpiness of the swimsuit. The smaller it was, the likelihood of having passage of germs from one person to another increased.
Interesting. Okay, so if we want to try on bathing suits, what do you recommend we do?
I recommend you keep your undergarments on. There's really three key points you can remember. Number one, keep your undergarments on because, you know, if you went to a hotel, you wouldn't use a toothbrush that someone else had left behind.
Okay, that's good.
Think of it the same way, or a sponge.
Okay.
The second thing, when you keep your underwear on, it's very much like the lining you use in a bathroom. The other point is to wash your hands, because remember, you're going to touch the material that other people had on their body at all times.
Right.
And the practicality of it is, if you buy the swimsuit, use a washing machine and wash it first.
Oh, right, absolutely. That's super important.
We don't have to worry about this as guys.
We still need to wash our hands because...
Oh, really?
Correct.
Okay. I say really. Really? You got to wash your hands? No, but what else do the guys need to do? Wash hands.
Wash hands, and you want to make sure you put it in a washing machine. One of the other things from the study showed that some of the factories where these things are made, the people making the items don't wash their hands. So there might be fecal material actually built into the fabric before you put it on.
Oh, my God.
Did you know that? Oh,
Especially
my gosh.
for people with children. This is certainly something to think about. Not just us adults when we're talking about the swimsuits, but even for children. That's really important. When you take it out of the store, first thing you need to do is take it home and wash it.
Exactly.
All right.
Wonderful
Wash
advice.
it, wash our hands, and always keep our undergarments on when we're trying it on. So I guess, does that go for men too? Keep their undergarments on?
Absolutely. Absolutely. The concept, especially with the moist environment in Phoenix, I'm not going to get, this is a family show in the morning, but I'm going to leave it at that.
Okay.
All right. Dr. Al Borhan from Affiliated Urologist, thank you very much.
Thanks for having me.
It was an interesting segment, and I'm going to go wash my hands in Purell, bathe in Purell. As a matter of fact, you're watching ABC 15 Mornings. We'll be right back.
Now, get your